Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display product item total weight in admin order list in WooCommerce WordPress using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in WooCommerce order section. So we are going to display total weight. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it. And after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet. So click on it. And then you see add your custom code. So again click on it. And then you see multiple option. Now select PHP snippet. And then you see create custom snippet section open. So you can add title here. Then you see code preview. Now paste code. You will find this code in video description or in comment section. Now you see column title weight. So you can add text according to requirement. And then scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to ordered page and refresh the page. And then scroll down, you see new column added weight, and then you see total order weight 15 kg. Also you see not available. So this is a recent order. So this code only display order weight for new order, not display order weight for previous order. Now you see. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.